Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video of Avril Lavigne at the house, and it is on the that I'm going to be in it. Oh yeah, there's what. Wait, did you know my dog's in there? I didn't know. We have like a massive for a video, so we know the massive one. It's down there, it's just the kitchen. Near the door. There's the kitchen. Where the door is, you just like they're basically just there with the kitchen. So yeah, Avril Lavigne, what the hell? It's got a little bit of tune on it. You say that I'm messing with you. Yeah. Because I was making out with your friend. Yeah. Whether it's right or wrong. Yeah. Can't stop 'cause I'm having too much fun. Yeah. I'm on your knees, begging please stay with me. But honestly, I need to be a little crazy. Oh, my life isn't good. And now, what the hell? Oh, my life is a mess around. And I don't care about if you love me, if you hate me, if you save me, sit up, baby. Oh, my life isn't good for now. Well, thinking well. What? What? So, what if I got on a million days? Yeah. Oh, you listen to me anyway. Yeah. That's great and sit around wait all day. Yeah. So, we love that this is soon time to play. Yeah. Never on your knees, begging please, step in night. But honestly, need to relocate that. Oh, my life has been good for now. What the hell? All my life I've had around, and I don't know about if you love me, if you hate me, if you save me, better baby. All my life I've been good for now. What the hell? Whoa, whoa, la, whoa, whoa. You say seven is with your hair, boy. I like a friend in your bed. Yeah, I'm messing with your hand, boy. When I'm in your bed, my life has been good for now. Oh, I was thinking, what the hell? All I want is a man, and I really care about if you love me, good enough. Well, thinking, what the hell? All I want is a man, and I really care about if you love me, if you hate me, if you save me, baby. Baby, oh, my life has been good for now. Thanks for watching, and that is it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I don't really sing like that because I had to like my brother sister, and so Lisa taught me to them. And yeah, so shout out guys to my dog, so and shout out to the people who work at. actually. Wait. Bye guys.